This is my abrasive saw. It's an old Makita that somebody gave me, and then it's got a base on it. It was actually a Speedway series, and which is like the Harbor Freight, only Homeyer Tool carried them. And anyway, nothing fancy about it. It's an old one. It doesn't have a great deal of power. I do have a DeWalt multi-cutter with the carbide tip blade. Pretty good saw. Expensive. But one thing on this saw has that not every saw has. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get a close up. It has a laser on it. This is actually one from a table saw. It's an Irwin, but it's made for like a compound miter saw, I guess, not a table saw. But anyway, I put it on here. I did have it on my radial arm saw, but the spool down is so long on my radial arm saw that it wears the batteries out really quick. So I moved it over to this. So it's pretty cool that, because I do this offhand cutting on this anyway. I don't use a clamp most of the time when I'm using an abrasive saw. That's why I like them, because you don't have to clamp it. Where my other saw, you have to clamp everything. That's it. I just wanted to show you my laser. See ya.